Experiencing the NP-103117-3 error on your PS5? You are not alone, and you have come to the right place. Let's fix it quickly so you can get back to gaming. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will show you step by step how to fix PS5 error NP-103117-3. Let's jump right into the fix. Method 1. Check PlayStation Network status. When you are experiencing PS5 error NP-103117-3, the first thing you can do is check the PS Network status. Visit the PlayStation Network status page. Check if PSN services are active and not undergoing maintenance. If the server is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again, and then try once again. Method 2. Forget the network. The next thing you can do is forget the network and re-add it. Sometimes this can fix temporary connectivity issues. For that, open PS5 settings, then select network, then select settings under network. Now select the setup internet connection. Select the network you are connected to. Then select the forget option. Then wait for a few minutes, then connect it again. You will need to enter your network password again to reconnect. Follow as shown. Method 3. Change the DNS settings. Next, change the DNS settings on your PS5. Follow these steps to do that. Open PS5 settings and then select network and then select settings under network. Now select setup internet connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to options and select advanced settings. Scroll down to DNS settings, select it and set it to manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select test internet connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 4. Check your internet connection. Next, check your internet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, then network, then select test internet connection. You can also connect your smartphone or PC to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can also restart your router or modem and see if that helps. Method 5. Make sure your system is up to date. The next thing you should do is ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Once done, check if this could resolve the issue. Method 6. Use a VPN. A VPN service allows you to create a secure connection to another network over the internet. It enables you to mask your IP address and encrypt your internet traffic, providing both privacy and security. VPNs allow you to bypass geo-blocks and access content that might be restricted in your region. So you can use a VPN to change your IP address. However, be aware that this might violate the terms of service for some games or content. Method 7. Contact PlayStation support. If the method shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix PS5 error NP-103117-3 on your PS5. We hope one of these solutions worked for you. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Silicophilic for more tech guides and troubleshooting tips. Let us know in the comments which method solved your issue. Your input could help others too. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.